This short video will show you how to set up Squareonnect. There are 3 simple steps. Step 1 is adding devices. In Squareonnect, you add devices by adding sets of control codes from the built-in database. These are assigned to a blaster unit. Start by opening the setup area and tapping SQ Blasters and Devices. Tap the row that says Add New Device to Blaster. Select the brand of device you want to add. And then select the type of device that you want to add. Squareonnect will then show you the code sets that it has found for that brand and that device type. You can now test these code sets to find the one that best suits your equipment. Typically the first code set will be the correct one. Click the Select Code Set button to install these codes and add the device to your blaster. Once you have added IR codes to Squareonnect, you can add controls and begin controlling your devices. It is recommended that you add all the devices you intend to control with your blaster before adding control pads and controls. Step 2. Adding control pads. Control pads are the holders or containers for your controls. You need to add empty control pads to the carousel so that you have somewhere to put your controls. Go to Setup and tap Control Pads. Then tap the Edit button followed by plus. You can now add the details for your new control pad. Start by entering a name, and then select an image for the carousel. When you've done this, you're ready to save your control pad. You can now exit the control pad editing area and return to the carousel to find your new control pad waiting for you. If you open your new control pad, you will find it empty and ready for you to add controls. Step 3. Adding controls. Squareonnect allows you to add single controls and to link these to the appropriate IR codes that you have installed. It also lets you add pre-configured control panels, which are then automatically linked to your devices depending on the control type. To add a set of controls, first open the control pad that you intend to add controls to. Then tap the Edit button to enter Edit mode. In Edit mode, you will see the edit icons appear at the bar at the top of the screen. To add new controls, tap the green plus icon. This will bring up the Add Controls picker. This is where you select the kind of control that you want to add. In this example, we're adding a control panel, so that's what we'll choose. In this case, we'll select a set of TV controls. Squareonnect will now ask us which devices to link to these controls. As we only have one TV installed in Squareonnect in this example, we will set all of the control types to this one device. When this process is complete, I can tap the Finish button to have Squareonnect add these controls to my control panel, all linked up with the correct codes. I can now exit the edit mode and start controlling my TV. If I need additional controls, I can add them to the side panels in the same way, or add new controls to the set that I just added. Moving and deleting controls is just as easy. Set up as many control pads as makes sense for you.